Hello everyone, my name is Shivapriya Nayak. I am studying in class 8B. Today I am going to exhibit different types of pollution. Different types of pollution includes air pollution, water pollution, land pollution and many more. All these are caused by us human beings. The polluted smoke emitted from the factories are harmful for our health as well as other organisms and can contribute to air pollution. The sewage water thrown out from these buildings and factories result in the contribution of water pollution. It may kill aquatic animals. Throwing garbage in the open result in land pollution. It may cause foul smell, disease-causing bacteria to flourish and loss in the fertility of the soil. Noise pollution is another major problem. Loudspeakers, vehicle horns, all can damage our hearing. Nowadays, only a few places can be seen with greenery and plant life. We are destroying our nature. We should try our best to reduce pollution and save our earth.
Good morning. I'm Sandra Susan Matthew of 8B. Today, I'd like to introduce my model on photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a Greek word where photo means light and synthesis means putting together. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their own food. This is my model. Green plants have a pigment in them called chlorophyll which gives them its color. Green plants make their own food in the presence of sunlight with carbon dioxide from the air, water and minerals from the soil. In the presence of sunlight and carbon dioxide, plants absorb water and minerals from the soil and also carbon dioxide from the air. In this process, carbon dioxide and water and minerals gets converted into glucose and oxygen, where glucose is stored in the plant and oxygen is released into the air, which is essential for our survival. This process can be written in the form of an equation. That is, carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll give out glucose and oxygen. Or CO2 plus H2O in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll gives out C6H12O6 plus O2. Thank you.
I am Sai Krishna Shaji Nayar of class 6C. I am here with the still model water cycle. The materials I have used for its construction are thermocol, cardboard, chart paper and paint. Here we can see that due to the sun's rays, the water in the sea evaporates as vapor. Later it condenses to form a dark cloud as seen over here. Then it precipitates in the form of water which is then collected again in the sea. This process continues again in a cyclic manner. This is called water cycle. Thank you.
Good morning to all. My name is Aishwarya and I am from class 6C. Today I am here to speak a few words about my still model, Charka. Charka is a handmade device used to spin yarns. The charka or spinning wheel was the physical embodiment and a symbol of Gandhi's constructive system. It represents Swadeshi, self-sufficiency and at the same time interdependence because the wheel is at the center of a network of cotton growers, carders, weavers, distributors and users. It also embodied the dignity of labor, equality and unity as all volunteers were to spin each day and finally independence as the British control over India was rooted in control of indigenous industries such as textiles, For this reason, Nehru called khadi, the homespun cloth, the livery of our freedom. Now I am concluding my words. Thank you.
A warm good afternoon to everybody. My name is Donaros Anthony. I am studying in class 6B at St. John the Baptist CBSE School, Nedungunam. I would like to introduce a technique of growing plants without soil. This technique is called hydroponics. This technique was discovered by Julius von Sachs at 1860. In this technique, plants are growing in nutrient solution, a solution that contains all essential elements. I used an aerating tube, a funnel for adding water, and a small plant for experiment. Hydroponic is used for commercial production of vegetables like tomato, lettuce, etc. It is also used for kitchen garden. By doing this experiment, we will understood what all element is needed for normal growing of plants and also deficiency symptoms of essential elements. So friends, you also try to do this model. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Jaron K. Jinu from class 6A. Today I am going to show you about the stilt model which I made yesterday. This stilt house is used in floody areas. The stilt house is usually raised on the surface of the water. This underneath part of the stilt house is used for work. Then I made some craft works like the canvas painting. Then one spray painting. And this is the canvas painting which I made with oil pastels. I think you like my video. Thank you.
A warm welcome, respected judges and teachers. My name is Shruti Abraham and I am from class 7C. Today, I am going to present the still model of 8 different phases of moon. In this model, the torch acts like the sun. Full moon. The lunar phase or moon phase is the shape of the directly sunlit portion of the moon as viewed from the earth. Waning gibbous. Just after full moon, when the face of the moon is 100% illuminated, the intermediate phase called waning gibbous moon starts. Last quarter. The last quarter moon rises at midnight, transits the meridian at sunrise and sets at noon. Waning crescent. During the waning crescent moon phase, the illuminated part of the moon decreases from the lit up semicircle at third quarter until it disappears from the view entirely at new moon. New moon. At the new moon phase, the moon is so close to the sun in the sky that none of the sides facing earth is illuminated. Waning crescent. Just after full moon, when the face of the earth is 100% illuminated, the intermediate phase called waning gibbous moon starts. First quarter. At first quarter, the half-lit moon is highest in the sky at sunset, then sets about 6 hours later. Waxing gibbous. These are the 8 different phases of moon. Hope you all like this model. Thank you.
morning to all. I am Joe Varghese from class 8B. Today I would like to submit my still model project before all of you. My project is about the layers of the earth. All of you may know that our earth has mainly 3 layers: the crust, the mantle and the core. The core is again divided into outer core and inner core. The first layer is the crust. It is the outermost layer and the top component of the lithosphere. The second layer is the mantle. It is the largest and the massive layer of the earth. It is made up of rocks or ices. At the center of the earth is the core, which has 2 parts, the outer core and the inner core. The liquid inner core is surrounded by the solid outer core. So, I hope that all of you may easily understood the layers of the earth by my visual project. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sanya Esnair of class 10E, and today I am here with a still model for the science exhibition, the allotropes of carbon, the structure of diamond and graphite. We know that carbon exists in different forms due to its valency, and each form is known as its allotrope. Out of these, 2 most important allotropes are diamond and graphite. Though both of them are of carbon, the structure is entirely different from each other. Diamond is having a very different bonding than that of graphite, and due to this bonding, it is the hardest natural substance known. And when we look to graphite, unlike diamond, graphite is a very good conductor of electricity and is used in many electrical devices. The materials that I have used for their construction are tube pits and thermocol balls. The thermocol balls over here represents the atoms. So, these are the structures of the 2 main allotropes of carbon, diamond and graphite. Thank you.